How to change email on Snapchat. Open Snapchat app. Tap Profile icon, top left. Tap Settings icon, top right. Tap Email. Delete the old email address, and write the new address. Tap Save. Enter the password for your Snapchat account. Tap Continue. An email will be sent to the new address. It will have a link to follow to confirm your new email address. Following the link, you will see a message that the email address has been successfully confirmed. There will also be another email about the successful change of address.